Okay, so in some of my videos, the measurements aren't really super important as far as, like, when I'm dealing with muriatic acid and stuff like that in certain situations, but for what I'm doing here today, it's super important. So what I've got here is, this is called sodium thiosulfate, and what this does is it works a lot like cyanide, except for without all the toxic problems. It's a pretty safe chemical to work with. And so what I need is 450 grams of this. So I've already got 350 in here, but that was about all I could fit in my cup. So I'm going to add this to this water. And now I need another 100 grams. Now this cup weighs 12, so I've already accounted for that. All right, that's pretty good right there. So I'm going to add that to this. And I want to get it as dissolved as best as I can. I use hot water for this because it dissolves a lot better in the hot water. Okay, then next I need, so this is my ammoniacal copper, and if you remember in one of my videos before, when I had to remove my copper chlorides from my metal that I was refining, I had to use ammonia to take that copper chloride into solution and get it away from my metal. So what I need is about 450 milliliters of this. But luckily, when I did that other process, like, it already had the chemicals ready. Like I said in my other video, you can use your byproducts from your other projects. But so I need 450 milliliters of this. That's close enough. Okay, so I have all my ore down in this little makeshift mixer that I got going on here. That's the cool thing about doing a lot of this stuff, is you don't have to go and buy a lot of expensive stuff. I mean, you can make things work, if you got a mind to kind of figure out how to piece stuff together. But so now I gotta let this run for probably 2 days and I'll probably shut it off at night so my neighbors don't get mad, but it works a lot better when you got it moving around like that, because it doesn't all cake to the bottom and the chemicals can actually get to the gold. So that's this phase of the process, and when I go to get my metals out, I'll show you how that's done.